So will these dreams ever see ground reality? Well, Reliance has got an even bigger headache than smaller SEZs. Under the new laws, the government has stopped acquiring land. This means that Reliance will have to buy thousands of hectares of land from farmers without any overt help from the government. How do they plan to do it? Without getting into another Singur or Nandigram? Well, they say by offering farmers to part with their land in exchange for cash, jobs, a monthly pension. The list for their compensation package is endless. So Priyanka Kakodkar travelled to Raigad, the site of where the Mahamumbai SEZ is coming up, to see if farmers are buying into the Reliance dream, into a compensation package that Reliance says is like a lottery for farmers.
My attitude is, there will be such a huge economic development of the whole region that these generations after generations will be so well off that they will be, it's like a lottery ticket hitting them.
To test the response to this promise, we head to Raigad, ground zero of Reliance's Mahamumbai SEZ, one of the biggest in the country. This is Dadar village in Pain. It's here that Reliance's attempts at acquiring land have had the most success. And no wonder, because the lands here went saline a decade ago. Among the believers is Kusumwari. She was deep in debt last year. When she sold a quarter of an acre, she got 3.5 lakhs overnight.
कर्ज होता तो देऊन टाकला मी मोकळी झालो आता जशी भुशी येईल अंगावर नाही तर टेन्शन होती त्या टेन्शनला कोण आहे पोरं नाही नवरा नाही कोणी नाही एकटीच.
Land that's been easy to acquire, also because much of it had already been bought a couple of years ago by another company, Nikhil Gandhi's Sea King project, which Reliance just bought over.
खार जमीन दिसणं ही पूर्वी आमच्याकडे पिकं यायची, परंतु ज्या वेळेस 1989चा पूर आला त्यावेळी सगळी जमीन ही खार जमीन झालेली आहे.
2.5 लाखाच्या याच्यानं 50% घेतले होते त्यावेळेस 20 एकर म्हणजे जमीन होती आणि नंतर त्याच्यावर परत 3 लाखानं झाले ते परत 3 लाखाच्या नंतर परत आता ते 7 लाखावर गेले 7 लाखाचा परत ते फरक दिला आणि नंतर मग आता 10 लाखापर्यंत गेले.
In this way, bit by bit, Reliance claims willing farmers have sold it nearly 2,000 hectares, which is a fifth of the total size of the SEZ. But as we move away from this saline belt to the more fertile lands of Uran, the resistance is sharper. More so because well before Reliance, Uran is familiar with land acquisitions for industrial use.
The biggest hurdle that land acquisition here will continue to face is the history of what's gone before. Farmers who gave up their land for projects, both public and private, but didn't get the jobs or the money that they were promised.
Like this family at Khopta village, they sold their land to the Nhava container terminal and an IT park 2 years ago. Now Chandrakala is still waiting for nearly 5 lakhs.
चेक वगैरे बांधून आलेले आहेत परत आमचे. हो परत आलेत 6 महिने जवळजवळ झालेत त्या चेकला येऊन. आठवड्यानी सुद्धा फेरी होते 15 दिवसांनी पण होते का पैशासाठी.
But Reliance says its deals are more transparent and its compensation package generous.
The government notified prices, the ready reckoner price as it is generally called is 1 lakh rupees an acre. We are buying land at 10 lakh rupees an acre. You instead of providing a fish every day, you teach the man fishing and then he'll make his own provisions.